All right, number 20, we want to do 260 seconds. So let's find 260, change it to green. Here's 260. Okay, I think we have 9 in each row, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I'm getting the 75th percentile for, make sure I'm right on that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm wrong, that should be 20. Let me correct that. Alright, 4 goes 5, 6, that's 500 divided by 6. Alright, so that's the 83rd percentile. So I corrected that. Okay, now let's look at 22. See if we can squeeze in 2 of these. We're to locate the first quartile. So we want to take 1/4 or 0.25 times our 24. I think that's going to give us 6. Okay, so it's going to be between the 6th and the 7th number in the list. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it should be halfway between those two, so it would be 234.5. And one last one. From this group, number 24, P sub 40, 40th percentile. Okay, so we want to do our locator formula. 0.4 times 24. Be 9.6. That means we want to go to the 10th. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's going to be 243. That would be seconds. This one's seconds as well. Okay, let's move on to a different type of problem. This is where you're doing a box plot, and I'm actually going to do this one. This is number 30 with the calculator, and we have a list of numbers, the times and intervals and minutes between eruptions for Old Faithful Geyser at Yellowstone National Park. And we go to my calculator here. I'm going to clear. Okay, and so I'm going to stat and edit, and I want to clear these two, so I'm going to clear. Okay, go over to L1, clear. Okay, I ended up in L5, so I'll have to fix my calculator. But anyway, we'll use L5, and let's enter. Okay, now maybe I can go back to L1. There we go. I'm going to clear it. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to enter 81, 81, 86, 87, 89, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 98, 101, 101, 106, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay. So now what I want to do is find the 5-number summary. So they want us to construct a box plot and identify the 5-number summary. Typically I do it the other way around. I find the 5-number summary and then I do the box plot. I'm going to show you how to do it with the calculator. So we're going to go to Stat and then to Calc and enter. And I just want the first column, L1, so I'm going to enter again. Now to find the 5-number summary, you use the down arrow. And here we have our 5-number summary. The low value is 81, first quartile 88, median's 94.5, third quartile is 98, and the largest or the maximum number, highest number is 106. So you technically could use those numbers to draw a box plot. Back on the paper we have here, let's see, 81, 88. Let me jot them down so I don't have to go back and forth. 88, 94.5, 98, and 106. And then I'll show you how to do it with the calculator. Okay, so we have our low is 81. This is our 5-number summary. First quartile is 88. Median is 94.5. Quartile is 98. And the high is 106. So okay, here's our scale. So our box is starting at 88 and it's going to 98 and 94.5. Okay, so we have 88, 98, 94.5, and our whiskers go down to 81 and up to 106. That should be 105. Okay, so that's the way I would draw it if I were drawing it. But we can also do it on the calculator, and I want to show you that. To do it on the calculator, we've got our numbers in. What we do is we go to second and y equals. And that takes us into the stat plots. And they're all off at this point. I want to turn number 1 on, so I'm going to press enter. And I'm going to use the arrow key to move over to on and press enter. And what type do I want? I want the box and whisker plot. The regular box and whisker plot is the 5th one over. So I'm going to use the right arrow. Whoops, I didn't come down. Come down first, then right arrow. Alright. Notice you don't use a down once you're in the type. I'm going to press enter. Okay, it says it's going to be using list 1 with each one with a frequency of 1, which is what I want. Now go to zoom, which is the middle key. And you want to come down to zoom stat. I think it's like 9th. There it is, number 9. And so I'm going to press enter. Okay, and there you can see the box plot, the box and whisker plot. And if you want to, you can actually do a trace. You'll see the cursor lit up, and down here it's saying the median is 94.5. If you push the right arrow key, it goes to the third quartile, then it goes to the high, and going then back to the left. Okay, we're back at the median now. We see the first quartile is 88 and the low number is 81. So the calculator will actually check your box and whisker plot for you.